Another question we get is, why do we keep such a large allocation to international when it's done so poorly versus the US? And I think that answer is diversification. All other things being equal, we would prefer to have a diversified portfolio. And it is true that the United States has outperformed. As I just mentioned, much of that outperformance has happened since the beginning of 2018, February of 2018. International was outperforming. It outperformed in 2017. It outperformed in the first few months of 2018. And then we had the trade tariff disagreements globally. And from that moment to now, the US has strongly outperformed. But history shows that's not always the case. There are several reasons why the United States has outperformed. One has been the talk of tariffs. The second has been the strong dollar over the last several years, which has certainly not been the case over the last 40 or 50 years, that the dollar continues to remain strong and goes up. In most years, over the last, say, 4 or 5 decades, the dollar has weakened. And with as many dollars as we're talking about creating, it's likely that you'd want to have some non-dollar denominated assets to hedge potential dollar decline moving forward. So we keep international in the portfolio as a diversifier. There have been periods in the past where the US has outperformed running on a number of years, and there have been periods where the international has done much better. They don't tend to, they haven't continued that way indefinitely. There are periods in time where this switches, and it's a hedge to, in an attempt to hedge risks such as currency risk and smooth out returns over time. I believe that when you look at the valuations of international assets, they have expected returns that are very attractive moving forward, and so we would want to include those in portfolios.